Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jira dashboards with export and backups, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Jira dashboards, start by navigating to your Jira dashboard. Locate the dashboard you wish to backup. Click on the ellipsis icon, often referred to as the More option. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. You will see several export formats. Choose the one that suits your needs best. For a structured format, consider exporting to JSON or XML. If you select JSON, the file will be downloaded to your computer. Now, for a more comprehensive backup, you should consider creating a project backup. Go to the Jira Administration section. Select System from the menu. Under Backup and Restore, click on Backup System. This action will generate a full backup of your Jira instance, which includes all dashboards. Once the backup is created, you will receive a download link. Click on the link to save the backup file securely on your device. Make sure to store your backup files in a safe location for future use. If you wish to restore your dashboard later, keep the JSON file handy. To restore, access the same Backup and Restore section in Jira Administration. Follow the prompts to upload your saved backup file. Once uploaded, Jira will begin the restoration process. Be patient, as this may take some time depending on the size of the backup. After completion, check your dashboards to ensure everything has been restored properly. Regularly backing up your dashboards can prevent data loss and ensure continuity. Now you are equipped with the knowledge to back up and restore your Jira dashboards effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.